So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. In this video I'll show you how to do the summation for the track 2 of the Gen AI Academy APAC Edition. So let's come to the dashboard directly and make sure you subscribe the channel, like the video, and if you don't know about the event, I've shared the related video in the description. You have to navigate to the playlist and just see how you can participate in this event and complete the Codelabs. Okay, you can see this is the complete playlist, how to claim the credits, how to complete the Codelabs. First of all, you have to complete all these Codelabs. After that, you have to take the screenshot of the output and then you have to come to the form section, right? So we already submitted the track 1, lab 1 and lab 2 yesterday itself. What you have to submit whenever you run the app means you are in the last stage of the lab. You have to take the screenshot of this particular page, mostly the last task which you complete, or maybe the output which is running. You have to take the screenshot of it and upload it. For example, I have to upload for this task, that is for the big query which I completed. I am uploading this particular. I interacted with the chatbot and this is the screenshot for it. Now here one more, I am showing you a live demo, so what will be uploading it. So this is related to the database. Okay, we have already completed both the Codelabs. Okay, the solutions are already live on the channel. You can just navigate and check it out. Now let me just upload it. So from here, database, let me just upload it. Okay, so this was the image. You have to simply click on upload like this and then simply click on submit. So once you have submitted, your data will be updated and you'll receive an email that your submission has been completed. Do not worry, whatever you are completing, it's very easy. And if you want to complete the skills lab, you can just check the playlist. I have covered everything in detail, step by step. And I'm making a video in Hindi too, so that you are able to understand if you want to know more about this event in Hindi, which will be live shortly. So thank you. Have a great day ahead.